If anyone is in the waiting room, let me know. Huh? Let me check out. Yeah, this one you can see the new question, right? The new question paper.
Yes, sir. I can see, sir.
Hmm. So what's written here?
Sir, sir, a student performs an experiment to measure the density of water. She places an empty test tube on top uh, on a top pan balance as shown in figure 2.1. Record the mass m of the test tube to 3 significant figures.
Okay, so here we got a reading, right? In the balance, electronic balance, that one. You saw that type of balance in our physics lab, right?
Sir.
So this type of balance are giving the recording like that. So the recording is given in grams, right?
Yes, sir.
And if you want to write it, then you can write it as 13.56, right?
But sir, 13.56, but sir, here is mentioned it is 3 significant figures.
Yes. First you write 13.56, then you convert it. Yeah. You can convert
Yes,
it
sir.
to 3 significant figures, and that will be how much?
Sir, 13.6.
So in your copy, you have the copy with you in front of you.
Sir, no, sir.
Can you manage by 1 minute?
Yes, sir, I can manage by one.
Yeah, please manage it. Please manage it. Hello, Adnan Rahim.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Yes, sir, I have the copy now.
Yeah, Adnan Rahim and Shafkat.
Yes, sir.
You bring one copy and pen. We have to record some values.
Sir, it is with me, sir. No problem.
Okay, very good. Very good. Then we are here with one experiment related to measuring density of water. Okay, and we have the mass reading here from the electronic balance, top and balance, that is 13.56 gram. They asked to find the reading in 3 significant figures. To record the reading in 3 significant figures. So record it. Shafkat,
Yes, sir.
record the reading in 3 significant figures.
Okay, so
Record the reading in 3 significant figures and tell me what you got.
sir, 136, no, sir. 13 done that.
Oh, 13.6, huh? You write
Yes, sir.
13,
That end.
yeah, 13.6. 13.6 gram. Adnan Rahim. Hello, Adnan.
Yes, sir.
You also wrote the reading of mass 13.6 gram, right? As they told us to record it in three significant figures. Okay. Uh, if
How,
you
sir? I didn't get it.
if you are done, then we can go to next.
Yes, sir, we can go.
Okay. So we are going to next one. Who is Rohan? Someone is Rohan. Rohan, I got one from class 7, and he is in waiting room. I shouldn't accept him. Yeah. So part B. Can Adnan Rahim, you read this part B?
Okay, sir.
Read.
Uh, B. She pours a volume V1 65 centimeter cube of water into a measuring cylinder. Point 2. She lowers the empty test tube into the water in the measuring cylinder so that it floats.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the beginning.
Mm. So you got one volume V1, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you are getting this volume, you should record it in your copy. You should record V1 equals 65 centimeter cube. Then next one. Next one, read and get the reading from the diagram. Yeah, read from here, figure 2.2. Now read from figure 2.2.
Okay, sir. Figure 2.2 shows the new reading of on the measuring cylinder. Uh, we read and record the new water level V2 in the measuring cylinder.
Yeah, can you please get the reading from the measuring cylinder?
Sir, 79, sir.
79. How?
Yes, sir, because it's below 80, sir. I think.
Below 80, then
This is all I can say. I think.
mhm. What about others? You are also thinking at 79.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir,
I'm also
that,
thinking about sandwich.
so there is a test tube given. So because of that, maybe it is coming 79. So,
Again, please.
so sir, I don't know, sir. Do we need to do some calculations for the test tube mass or what?
No, we do not need to do anything with test tube mass because here you see already we got it.
Yes,
Uh, we already got it. She places an empty test tube on a open balance. Hmm. That one is giving you M.
yes, sir.
Okay. Just keep in your mind this one. You hopefully you are raising one very useful question which will let us discuss wonderful physics, inshallah. So you keep it in mind, that one test tube.
Yes, sir.
So this recording we are talking about, is it 79? The way Adnan was saying, do you agree?
Yes, sir. I agree, sir.
Saad is agreeing. What about Shaf?
Sir, I'm not sure, sir. I think not, sir.
Should I make it bigger to make you understand this one? Yeah,
Yes,
now
sir.
check. Now check how it is coming here. How what is the reading here?
Sir, 79, sir.
Here,
Oh,
here.
this,
This one how much?
Sir, 78, sir, 78.
yes, sir,
This one
78.
is 78. Okay, we are writing as 78. 78 centimeter cube, right? And this one,
79.
this
Oh,
one,
this,
Nah, 80.
80, 80.
80. This one
80
is already
centimeters.
given 80, right? So our level
Yes,
is
sir.
here. Our level is here. So it's between 78 and 80, right?
Yes, sir, that is 79.
Yeah, that is 79. So we can get here 79, but though it's not exactly 79, very close to 79, is it? Like
Yes, sir.
the space here you are getting is not equal to this space in the lower side, right? You see the space you are getting here and the space you are getting here is not exactly same, a little bit different, right? The upper side is a bit bigger. So it's approximately 78, right? 79, is
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yes,
Approximately 79 centimeter cube. So here we can write V2 as uh, here V2 we can write as 79, right? Can you write?
Yes, sir, yes.
New recording, yeah. Then calculate the increase. Can you read it, Saad?
Yes, sir. Calculate the increase in volume V in the measuring cylinder.
Yeah. So what is the volume?
79 minus 65 like that, sir.
What?
Sir, 24, sir. So the answer
24?
is 20.
Sure.
Yes, sir, 24.
Yes, sir.
Is it 24?
Oh,
Can you check
24.
again? 79
Sir,
minus
40, sir, I guess.
79 minus
Oh,
65.
oh, sorry, sir. It's sir,
14, I guess.
14, sir. 14, sir.
Oh, it's 14. Yeah. So the simple thing you are also doing mistake, huh?
Saad is making me confused.
Is it fine? It's 14, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the third one. Can you read and tell me the answer? Yeah, Saad, continue.
Yes, sir. Suggest one source of experimental inaccuracy in reading the scale on measuring cylinder.
Hmm. So uh, there might be some experimental inaccuracy, right?
Yes,
In
sir.
reading the scale, they are also particularly saying about the reading in the scale. So, what kind of experimental inaccuracy we can get from the reading in reading the scale?
Sir, the volume of water.
So, what is the actually suggestion that how can we do it correctly, or you should represent it this way that the problem you will say and also indicate that how it is solved, how it can be solved.
Sir, we should use a more calibrated, like uh here per per line it is 2 centimeter cube. We should want the 1 centimeter cube one, so it will
Yeah,
be a bit more accurate one.
Yes, we can use 1 centimeter cube one, or we can also use 0.5 centimeter cube one, right?
Yeah, more
Then it would,
accurate.
yeah, it would be more accurate. So this way we can write that we uh, the source of experimental inaccuracy. This way we'll write that the scale was not given to 1 centimeter cube or 0.5 centimeter cube, which
So can you repeat?
yeah, the scale uh, was not given to 1 centimeter. The scale was not given to 1 centimeter cube or 0.5 centimeter cube, which could give more accurate reading. Which could give more accurate reading.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. The next one we are going C, part C. Part C, can you read, Shapka?
Okay. Yes, sir. Theory suggests that the density of water is given by the equation rho is equal to mass divided by volume. Use your answers to A and B to calculate density. State
Yeah,
the unit of
calculate.
your answer.
Calculate it in your copy, then tell us. Tell us what is the answer.
So what was the answers in A and B? I forgot, sir.
You did not record it.
No, sir.
I told you to record. V you got here, right? V already you got here.
Yes, B
Can
I
you
got.
remember?
I forgot the A.
This one you got how much? V,
14, I guess.
yeah,
14.
14, yeah. And your M was, M was
13.6.
yes, 13.6. So you can remember it, mashallah.
Oh,
Then you can do it.
yes, sir. Yes.
Do it.
Sir, 0.97.
0.97.
Yes, sir. Same answer.
And they told you to write the unit also.
Centimeter per cube. Oh, no, no, no.
You are measuring density.
Okay, yes, sir. Density is
What is
C.
the technique to find the unit? I taught you
The
many times.
gram per centimeter cube, I guess.
Yes, yes. So this formula, right? This formula will help you to get the unit as well. M you measured in gram, right?
Yes, sir.
V you measured in centimeter cube. So the calculation you did, it will also give you gram per centimeter cube. Here,
Yes, sir. Clear.
okay. Now, any queries on this experiment, Shafkat
No,
and
sir. Till
Saad?
now, no problem.
Till here, no queries. Huh? Till here,
No
you are
queries, sir.
done. So, in last class, last practical class, you were also present, right? Shafkat and Abdul Rahim.
Yes, sir.
So, thank you so much for joining today. And
Okay.
another another thing is, I gave you some homework. Uh, that homework you forgot.
Which one, sir?
The last class we did one experiment. That one I told you to, return me by completing.
I think I was absent or don't know.
You are absent. You are
I don't
getting,
remember, sir.
yeah, you you are getting all the notifications from Google Classroom, right, Shafkat?
Yes, sir. Yes.
On 19th, on 19th, I give you this homework. Ah, after watching the video, solve question 4 from a test file and submit it by Saturday, 25th July.
Oh no.
So this comment also going to you, right, in your email?
Okay, sir. Then I will try today, sir, and try to give.
Yeah, this one is last week's work. So Adnan Rahim, Saad, tonight,
Yes, sir.
Adnan, tonight you can
Yes, sir.
submit, right? This homework
Inshallah, sir.
because the recording recording is available over there. In the recording, all the discussions are available. Hmm.
So, what is the date of the? Uh, what is the date when you uploaded this homework?
19th, it's 19th.
Sir, we have to solve all the problems ourselves.
This one we did, right? Last
Yes,
week.
sir. Yes.
So this one have also recording. Huh? You, if you think that you need a review or revision, then you can check the recording as well. Huh? Then Adnan Rahim, you got your answer.
Sir,
It was
for which
it,
one?
that you
Oh,
asked me what
okay,
was
yes,
the
yes,
date.
yes.
It is 19th.
Yes,
You
sir. I
see,
got it.
July 19. I uploaded this. Huh?
Yes, sir, I got it, sir.
Just 1 week back. Today is 26. 7 days back. Okay, clear what to do. Then
Yes,
this one you will submit by we have class next class on 9th, right?
Sir, on Tuesday. Oh no, tomorrow also, I guess.
On 9th we have our uh, class again, lab class we are talking about.
Lab class.
Yeah,
I
that
thought.
is Sunday, right? On 9th of August.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so before the next lab class, by 8th of August, you will submit this one. Is it fine for you all?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Then it
Yeah,
is.
so you don't forget it.
Sir, we have done it. I can submit it now also.
Okay, you take your time, you do it nicely so that,
Had is so
yeah,
excited.
you you do it nicely, then send me. It will be better, huh? Take your time, huh? And you give
Yes,
in
sir.
PDF
P-
format, give in PDF format also. Send me through email. That will be better for me, huh? To get the recording.
Sir, did you send this in Google Classroom or you will send?
This one,
Yes, sir. This one.
this one I will upload after the class. After the
Oh,
class, I will upload the recording also. This paper, huh? Both
okay.
clear. So
Yes, sir.
this one you are getting 2 weeks, 2 weeks to submit, and the previous one you will submit by today, huh? Okay.
Okay.
Now we are going to start another one, another experiment. Uh, we will just have a look today. We will not finish that one today. Just as we have 10 more minutes, we will try to go as much as possible. Here we have lots of questions. Let's try with this one.
Sir, these all are O-level questions.
Yeah, all are O levels questions. Past paper questions. All the papers are available here. So this one is related to your thermal physics, right? You see, they are saying convection in a liquid. Huh? This one also we did before the exams. Hmm. Can you remember this one? This one also we did in the revision week, revision class. Can you remember this one?
Sir,
Hmm? I can remember. We did it.
No, sir.
Before
okay,
the
I believe that.
final exams. Before the final exams, we had revision classes, right? In that revision class, we did this type of things. Did we?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this one is related to convection. That is topic 10. Okay, topic transfer of thermal energy. That is topic 9. Transfer of thermal. You got conduction, convection, and radiation, right? That one. So this one is related to that one. So can anyone read it? Yeah, Shafkat.
A teacher demonstrates convection in a liquid. She uses a glass tube as shown in figure 1.1. The tube is filled with water and left to stand for 10 minutes. A purple crystal is then placed in the mouth of the tube. The crystal dissolves and makes the water around it turn purple. The tube is then gently heated as shown in Fig 1.1.
Okay, as shown in figure 1.1, is shown in figure 1.1. I make it smaller. You can see clearly. Yeah. So here is one purple crystal, and we are giving here gentle heat, right? And we are using this demonstration to show you the convection in a liquid. Hmm. Convection means what? Shafkat?
Sir,
Sir,
diffusion, sir.
that
What
occurs
what
in
does
liquid
convection
gas.
mean?
Sir,
Sir, that
diffusion.
Diffusion.
no,
What is diffusion?
Sir, to spread out, to fill the empty gap.
Okay, to fill the empty gap. How it is filling the empty gap?
Like, sir, it is moving, it is slowly moving to the parts, to every part of the,
air
uh,
molecule.
yeah, water molecule.
Yeah, will
Yeah,
it, the one you said, diffusion or, mix up, that one you can see in all the sides, right? It will go up, it will go right, it will go left, this way, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? But the convection, it has a direction, right? It will go only in one direction, not like left and right together. Either it will go to right ways or it will go to the, that is, either it will
Left.
go clockwise or anti-clockwise, right? This way it will go.
Yes, sir.
So you said that one diffusion, it's not exactly like that. Convection. Convection is the circulation of molecules of fluid due to density changes. Ah, do you understand? And
Yes, sir.
the rule is the lighter molecules, those will rise up, and the denser molecules, those will sink down. That is the principle of convection. And another principle is we should keep the heating element at the bottom and cooling element at the top, right? So keeping all this in your mind, we should go forward. Okay, is it clear now? We should keep in our mind these principles and the way how the convection is working. Hmm. So how many things you got in convection? Hmm. Just now I told the first one is convection occurs uh, in fluids by the
Liquid
circulation of
and gas.
molecules. We
The
can say
liquid is
we can say fluids, right? That's a more smarter word.
sir.
Why
It
that's
also occurs in gas also, right?
yeah. That's why if you use fluid, that's more smarter word. Okay. Convection occurs in fluids by the circulation of molecules. So it is your first point about convection. Hmm. Are you recording this? Convection occurs in fluids by the circulation of molecules. Then what point I gave you? Next, it occurs due to density changes. Second point I gave you, right? Second point is what?
Sir, convection occurs in liquid.
Fluids by density changes. Convection occurs in fluids by circulation of molecules. That is first point.
Oh,
Yeah, then second point is it occurs by density changes. Then third point, what is the third point? Just now I told. Anyone please help us? Adnan Rahim. Third point, what I told? Lower density molecules rise up and more density molecules sink down. Did you write? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Did you write these 3 points?
Yes, sir.
What are the 3 points you wrote?
The convection occurs at fluid by circulation of molecules.
Mm-hmm.
It occurs by density changes. Uh, and sir, the lower
lower density molecules rise up and higher
rise up.
density molecules sinks down.
আমি আমার নিজের হ্যান্ডরাইটিংই বুঝতেছিলাম না।
Mm-hmm. So third point is done. Then the fourth point I told. What is that?
Fourth point,
Mm-hmm.
স্যার কোনটা স্যার দেখি না।
When I started those points, you were thinking how all these points are coming, but you see all the points are working, right? These all are important. The fourth point already you forgot. That one was also told today. That is, heating element should be at the bottom, and the cooling element should be at the Shafkat.
Yes, sir.
You got the fourth point.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So heating element should be at the bottom and cooling element should be at the top.
Top.
So you got 4 points, right? Adnan
Yes, sir.
Rahim. Hello, Adnan Rahim.
Sir, Adnan is facing some problem with his mic.
With his mic. Okay, fine. Now you repeat. Sad, you just conclude, then we'll close the class. Yeah. Yeah, you just tell me those 4 points. Sad.
Sir, convection occurs in fluid by circulation of molecules. It
Mm-hmm.
occurs by density changes.
Mm-hmm.
Lower density molecules rise up and higher density molecules sinks down. The heating element should be placed at the top and the cooling element should be placed at the heating element should be placed at the bottom and the cooling element should be placed at the top.
Yes, great. So that's all. That's all for today. Okay. Thank you so much
Okay,
for
sir.
joining. Uh, Stay blessed. Stay updated. Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Okay,
Hafiz.
sir. Allah Hafiz, sir. Assalamu alaikum.